Guys, this is the longest snow has ever fallen here in New Jersey since the beginning of the year. Alright, so the snow started yesterday around maybe 4 or 5 p.m. It's now, that is, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And it's around 7, no, it's around 8 a.m. in the morning right now. And the snow is still falling. It is bad, guys. It is so bad. This is the worst I've ever seen it. I want to go outside this morning and make my videos, my YouTube videos, see what's going on. But guys, no, I can't. It's too much. It's bad. If I say it's bad, it's bad. So I'm going to my window, making a short video like an update. So bad, guys. So the cars are going in my building across the road. Look at them. All business places are closed. Schools are closed. To be honest, it's a state of emergency. No